Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy 3-ingredient banana pancakes using just these ingredients. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions, as well as variations and lots of ideas for toppings too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give these easy banana pancakes a try and what you think of them. So the ingredients in the pancakes, we've got banana, ideally super ripe banana. This one's kind of ripe, but it'll do. I'm using 2 eggs and then coconut flour to bind it all together. Now you can make those famous 2-ingredient pancakes without flour. There's a recipe on my channel for that, which is just banana and eggs, but I thought I'd make them with some flour too, just to bind them together so they're a different texture. So let me show you how to make them. So we're going to pop all of the banana into a bowl, and I'm using a small to medium-ish sized banana. If you've got teeny tiny bananas, use 2 of them or 1 large one. It is just up to you what you've got. So now we're going to mash the banana. So just mash the banana until it's smooth. You just want it nice and smooth and creamy so there are no lumps in it. So it's almost like liquid like this. Okay, that's kind of perfect. Now we'll whisk in the eggs. So we'll crack in the 2 eggs. And we'll just whisk it in to get it smooth. Okay, that's perfect. And now for the coconut flour, I would say 2 to 4 tablespoons. Start with 2 tablespoons, give it a whisk, see what it looks like. It really depends on the size of the bananas and how much coconut flour you'll need. Because I've made banana pancakes just like this without flour, 2 tablespoons should be enough. But if you want them a little thicker and more almost waffle or bread-like, then go for the extra 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of coconut flour and we'll whisk that in. I'm just swapping to a spoon. Okay, those 2 tablespoons you can see thickened that up. That is kind of perfect. And so now I am heating coconut oil in frying pan. You can use coconut oil, butter, any oil you like. Just get it really, really hot. We want a really hot, well-greased frying pan to cook up the pancakes. Okay, now the frying pan's nice and hot, and good heaped tablespoon, kind of flatten it out per pancake. I make these for my kids, so a pancake that size is kind of perfect. Give them a couple of them each. And there we go. I've got 4 of these lovely pancakes out of the mixture. And we'll just cook them until they're done on one side and flip them over till they cook through and done on both sides. Okay, pancakes are set on one side. Flip them all over. There we go, and we'll just get them to cook through on both sides and then move them off to a plate. Okay, pancakes are done. We'll move them off to a plate. And there you go. Look at my beautiful stack of pancakes. They're really nice and thick and full of lovely banana, and the coconut flour's just thickened them up beautifully. Now there are loads of options when it comes to toppings. You can pop some more banana on top, some whipped cream, some ice cream, a bit of walnuts, or I'm just going to pop some flaked almonds on top. And I've been obsessed with golden syrup lately, so I'm just going to drizzle over a bit of golden syrup. You can use maple syrup, honey, really anything you want, just a little bit. A fine goes a long way. It's sweet and incredible, and my kids just adore it. But that is the video for today for these lovely banana pancakes. 3 ingredients, super easy to make, and you can pop loads of toppings on top, which I'll write down in the blog post down below, so be sure to click through for that. And remember to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give these pancakes a try and what you think of them. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.